When we talk about artificial intelligence, headlines dominate the conversation. Killer robots, the singularity, the end of work. It's easy to get swept up in the hype, but AI isn't just one thing. It's a spectrum, from narrow specialists to future gods. Today we'll explore the three major types of AI systems and see where humanity stands among them. Most AI in our lives today is narrow AI. It does one thing and does it well. It can recommend a movie, detect fraud, recognize a face, or finish your sentence. It can even write a poem or compose music. But ask it to do anything else and it's lost. It doesn't understand, it just reacts. Think of your calculator app. It solves equations instantly but can't tell you a joke or explain its answers. That's narrow intelligence, confined to a single task but often superhuman within that domain. Take AlphaGo, for example. In 2016, this narrow AI defeated a world champion Go player. Go is vastly more complex than chess, with more board configurations than atoms in the universe. AlphaGo mastered the game by learning from millions of matches, developing an intuition that rivaled human mastery. That's the power of narrow AI to surpass us in specific domains. We see it everywhere: self-driving cars navigating city streets, medical AI diagnosing diseases, research labs accelerating discovery. But for all its power, narrow AI operates within strict boundaries. It's a tool, an expert assistant, not a thinking, feeling mind. It doesn't yearn or dream, and it doesn't pose an existential threat to humanity. For that, we need to move further down the spectrum. Now imagine an AI that could do anything a human can: learn new skills, solve abstract problems, write poetry, diagnose disease, manage a company. This is general AI, or AGI, the kind we see in science fiction. We don't have general AI yet, but researchers are racing toward it, exploring new ways to mimic the human brain in code. Some believe we're close, others say it's centuries away, if possible at all. The challenges are immense. Human intelligence isn't just about data or processing power. It's about understanding language, emotion, and the unpredictable real world. It's about common sense, creativity, consciousness, things we barely understand ourselves, but the potential benefits are huge. Imagine machines working alongside us as true collaborators, helping solve humanity's biggest problems: climate change, poverty, disease. Of course, there are risks. A general AI could inherit our flaws: bias, greed, the lust for power. If we're not careful, we could create something not just intelligent, but dangerous. Beyond general AI lies superintelligence, a form of AI vastly smarter than us. Imagine the combined intellect of every human multiplied by 1,000,000. That's the potential scope of superintelligence. It stretches the limits of our imagination. Would it even notice us? Or would we be like ants, too insignificant? Some experts believe superintelligence is inevitable. Others warn it could pose an existential threat. Even with good intentions, its actions could have unintended consequences. The truth is, we don't know. Superintelligence is a black box, a realm of speculation. We're wielding a force we barely understand. But unlike children, we have a responsibility to consider the consequences. The development of superintelligence could be the most significant event in human history. The stakes have never been higher. We've built narrow minds. We're dreaming of general minds, and we're warned of something more. The story of AI is still unfolding. The future of intelligence isn't preordained. It's a future we're creating right now with every line of code and every ethical decision. Types of AI systems: narrow, general, superintelligence. The future will ask us to choose wisely.